Hi, my name is Ronak Dhagra. I am Head of Department for Interior Design Department at Arch College of Design and Business. At Arch, we have various programs for interior designing, which is Bachelor's in Design, which is a 4-year program, BA International program, which is a 3-year program where our students study here for 2 years and another final year they go for any international degree abroad. We also have Master's program, which is Master's in Design and Entrepreneurship for interior design. And when I say market ready, we always keep that intent that when a student is enrolled in a particular program, they're going to graduate after 4 years, or they are probably going to work in the market after 5 years or 6 years. So we always try to teach our student or content, our program is around that, where how they will be relevant after 7 years or 8 years, in the industry, in the interior department. Now, how do we go about it? So we divide our program into, let's say, 4 stages, where first stage is the foundational stage, where we allow our students to experiment around design, what design is all about. Second year, we try to inculcate the skill area, which is precisely required in interior department. When I say skill, software skills, it could be about understanding of different materials which is available in the interior, the technicality of it, the application of those materials, how to innovate new materials for that matter, so that, as I said, they should be relevant 7 years or 8 years later, or probably our students will become an innovator or a researcher. And when I talk about skills, then the skills to how to plan a space for that matter, or how to do technical drawings appropriately. So that's around about the second year of program. Third year, mainly what we try to focus upon is whatever they have learned or inherited in their first year and second year. So we focus on how to make presentation drawing, how to make good documentation of your drawing, how to make your drawing relevant for execution, how to manage your project in a precise timeline as it is required in the industry. And our fourth area is basically a reflection year, where whatever the child has inherited for the past 3 years, now we want to give a project which is a capstone project or a final year project which is larger in scale, wherein the child is reflecting their own style. We also emphasize on design portfolio development in their final year, because they have to go for rigorous internship of 4 to 6 months in their final year. We help them identify which are the companies they should work depending on their individual skill, because as you know that interior designing is not only about having your own consultation practice. It larger breaks out into a lot of other disciplines. You could be a set design expert, you could be an exhibition curator, you can have a consultation for project designing, you can be a furniture design expert, you can be a blogger, or you can be a photographer only capturing interior projects. So there are a lot of domains which opens up out of interior design field. We have various facilities, and we have in-house labs, carpentry lab and metal lab, where students are able to explore different materials, make furnitures out of it, make real-time product out of it. So for that we have a lot of placement sort of program at Arch, because we have open house conducted every year for 4 days or 5 days, wherein we invite a lot of industry experts, so the recruitment happens right then and there. And otherwise also we have a defined placement cell which precisely support each student to be placed in good firms. One who is aspiring for this course definitely should visit the campus and see the various resources available. Get in touch with the faculty. Please come and meet me to understand more about the course, what exactly it is and how exactly it works. So yes, do visit campus and find out more. Thank you.